Got a little too much cayenne. I don't know if you're a hot chocolate lover like I am. I love hot chocolate, and lately in the evening I have been enjoying a cup. And the good thing is, in case you did not know, hot chocolate is like 99% caffeine free, maybe 99.9%, something like that. Either way, it is very much caffeine free, which I love. But how I've been enjoying it lately is with a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of cinnamon, and some whipped topping. It is sensational. It's just a little hint of the cinnamon, and then you feel the cayenne in the back of your throat. It's so good. Just go light-handed on the cayenne. I have a collective thrift haul for you guys. For the past 2-3 weeks, I have been going to different thrift stores, Goodwill, church thrift stores, indoor flea markets, you name it. I have been looking for items for my home, and I have found some items I am in love with. I spent about $35 for everything I'm going to show you. The first items I have are these gorgeous candlestick holders. So beautiful. These very CB2 inspired, I believe so. These were half off. I think the seller had them for $6 and something, $6.25 or $6.50, but their booth was all half off. So I grabbed these. They are made of wood. They are black, but they have just a little bit of the wood tone showing through. I think they are so gorgeous. Be so beautiful with a dark candle in them, or with nothing at all. I mean, really, if you just sat them on the shelf, you really wouldn't even know they are candle holders unless you look inside of them. But I think they're beautiful. They're going to go in my built-ins. But yes, $3.25, something like that, for 2 candlesticks. Now, they called these primitive candlesticks. They don't look primitive to me. They look more modern. But yes, I think very CB2 inspired. I'm always on the hunt for beautiful bowls, whether to use them in the kitchen, just, it's a cat. Okay, scared me. Okay, I'm always on the hunt for beautiful bowls, and I found this one. I love the colors in it. It is a little bit of brown, a little bit of black. It was only $2 for this. Even now at Christmas would be beautiful with some little ornaments in it. You could put some potpourri in it. I think it's just beautiful just sitting on its own. But anytime I find bowls that are very Restoration Hardware, very Pottery Barn inspired, I always pick them up because I can always use them around the house. But this one was only $2. And another bowl. When you see a beautiful wooden bowl, how can you not pick it up? This was handmade, and it has the initials JR 1994 on it. So someone made this. It is so beautiful. It's just a hobbyist piece, as you can tell, but I think the color is gorgeous on it. Everything about it is beautiful. Also $2. I can't pass up a wooden bowl for $2. Had to pick it up. And another $2 bowl. I don't know what it is about a $2 bowl, but I was in luck finding $2 bowls. Another wood bowl. It is so beautiful, very light, so gorgeous. It has a little bit of scuffing and marks on it, which doesn't bother me. It just gives it a very weird look. Weird. Is that right? Weird? It gives a very distressed look to it. And inside I have these beautiful vintage ornaments. It was a bag of 2 of them, and I believe for the 2 bags it was like $3. So beautiful. I love the detail in these little white ones, a little bit of silver detail. Some look like they are mercury glass. I don't think they are. And then some have like a foiled look to them with a little bit of gold and silver. But this is gorgeous. So yes, put you some ornaments in a bowl like this, little vintage ornaments. How can you go wrong with this? They're beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. These beautiful, beautiful bookends. I purchased both of these for $3. How beautiful are these? They're so heavy. $3. They remind me of little corbels, but they are bookends. Absolutely beautiful. I love these. They are so heavy. I'm thinking of using these in my office. I think they are gorgeous, and you can use them for bookends. You could really put them You could sit them any way you wanted to as bookends, but so beautiful. Purchased both of these for $3. And another set of bookends. I don't know what it is with me finding beautiful bookends over the past week, but these are onyx marble. Gorgeous. They are from the 60s. They have that beautiful kind of seashell fan detail, and you could either sit them this way or that way. And the price on these beautiful onyx marble bookends, $3 at Goodwill. $3. I looked these up. I found them on the website called Cherish. They have some going for $54 from the 60s. So beautiful. I love all the different colors in the marble. They are just sensational. I don't know where I'm going to put these yet, but for $3, I could not leave them on Goodwill's shelf. Had to pick these up. I'm always looking for hello. Okay, got an echo. I am always looking for beautiful planters. I love this planter vessel, vase, whatever you want to call it is fine with me. But for $3, I call it mine. I think this is so beautiful. I love the little handles right here. It's very Pottery Barn inspired, very Restoration Hardware inspired. $3. It is so beautiful. It has a matte black finish to it. There is some wear on it. I actually like that. I'm not going to do anything about it. I did clean it up just to see if it was actually dirt or something. I think it's just where it's worn, but $3. It is so beautiful. I did not see any. There is a number on the bottom. I have no idea what that is, but I don't see any other maker's marks on it. But it has a really good weight to it. I found this at an indoor flea market. This right here with any kind of dried florals coming out of it. Now at Christmas, if you had a really beautiful, more realistic looking pine to put in here, how beautiful is that? This also is something I can use year round. $3. The only problem is when I go to places like that, I'm always looking for a second one and I'm never going to find one. Never. So $3, and I picked this up at the flea market. You've got to try it, you guys. Oh my gosh. Just a little bit of heat down the back of your throat. It is so good. This right here, didn't need it, but I bought it. It is nothing sensational. Actually, I think I am going to spray it matte black, but I picked it up and it was only, the lady's booth was half off, but the lady herself was there at the booth. She was, drum roll please, 92 years old. 92. She was packing everything up. She was going to go ahead and sell everything half off because she said that she just did not have it in her to do it anymore. My heart went out to her. I mean, she was just the most precious woman, 92 years old, strong mind. She still got around. She still drove. Oh, it was just so wonderful to see that. But she was telling me that over the past 30 years, she had been selling antiques and vintage items, and she just didn't have it in her anymore. Oh, I wanted to cry. Oh, I wanted to cry. But she was so sweet. She had everything half off. I ended up picking this up for like $2. It's nothing special. It has a barcode on it, so it's not like it's an antique or anything. I just like the shape of it, and I just wanted to buy something from her. I wanted to buy all of it from her, but what a life. And at my favorite church thrift store, I found these beautiful marble canisters. I am using them for salt. These are absolutely gorgeous. This one here has a little bit more gray and black to it. This one has a little bit more beigey color to it in the marble. So beautiful. But I was at World Market and I found some little wooden spoons. And I had some left over. I was using some in my coffee bar, had some left over, so I just put them in these little canisters, and I'm using them as salt cellars. I am using one for my kosher salt and one for pink Himalayan sea salt, and I put the pink in the one that's just a little bit lighter, and then the kosher salt in the darker one. But I picked up both of these for $5. I have been looking for little marble salt cellars for a while. Saw some at Williams-Sonoma, CB2, and they were anywhere from $25 to $30 for one, but I picked up 2 of these for $5. And the last find that I think is gorgeous is this beautiful mid-century modern tulip vase. So gorgeous. The scalloped edges to it are beautiful. This is from Hull, USA Pottery. It is sensational. And once again, I looked for a second one. Never found a second one, of course not. I love the shape of this. I love the color of this, and it was $3. I am going to be using this on my built-ins. I'm trying to give it a very CB2 look. I'll pop a picture of my inspiration. My built-ins are dark, but I'm still going to go with some dark items to go on there for a very moody look, and I think this is going to be perfect for that moody, dark look. $3, so gorgeous. Once again, anytime I find one thing, of course you're looking at the thrift store, so you probably won't find a second identical one. So beautiful. May go on eBay to find a second one because I love it. And like I said, $3. Everything I purchased was only $35. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. $35 for everything. I also picked up some books. I was looking for books that just had a white cover to them. I found a few of those I'm going to be using when I style the built-ins. I'm not going to bore you with books. They're just books. So $35 for everything you saw here, along with 4 books. I draw so much inspiration when I look at Pinterest, when I look at other people's Instagram accounts, and a lot of that stuff is not in my budget. So Sherri's got to dupe the look, and I try to get the look for less. I told you guys many times, I have my little Pinterest boards. I keep them on my phone. I will look it up, and I'll look around the thrift stores. I'll look around flea markets, garage sales to see if there's something that is inspired by that look. I usually do it that way. I can't find everything thrifted, so some things I do buy brand new, but I always try to check my items at thrift stores, at Goodwill, flea markets. You know the drill. I try to look there first before I go out and spend money retail, just to save a few coins. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I'll see you back here in a couple of days for Vlogmas Day 7. Bye, loves.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.